Welcome to the English Placement Exam. Once you enter the testing area, you will have 75 minutes in which to write an essay based on one of two prompts. These brief videos, each of which will be followed by a short quiz, are meant to help prepare you for the exam, and not only so your score will be as accurate as possible. That score also determines how many semesters of first year writing you will need to take at IUSB. Now, before we get into the overview of the exam, we should probably take a second to make sure that everybody's in the right place. Most students are required to take the English placement. However, that requirement is waived if you have transferred in W-131 credit from another university, if you took 131 in high school and received credit for it, or if you received a score of 4 or above on the Advanced Placement Exam for English Composition. If you are currently waiting on AP or IB credit, you do not have to take the English Placement Exam. Also, if you are an English as a second language student, you will need to take the ESL placement, not this one. So, why does your score on the exam matter so much? Because depending upon where you place, you may need to take 2 semesters of first year writing instead of 1. So if you score a 10 or a 20, that places you in the enhanced version of English W-130, which is a 4 credit hour class. If you place a 30, that will put you in regular W-130, which is a 3 credit hour course. Either way, you have to pass that class with a C or higher in order to move on to W-131, which you have to pass with a C or higher in order to successfully fulfill your first year writing requirement. If you place a 40, you go directly into W-131, pass that with a C or higher, and then you are finished with first year writing. Now, let's say that you take the exam, you're not happy with your score. Can you retake it? How often can you retake it? When can you retake it? You may retake the exam up to 3 times per testing session. Those sessions run from mid-October through early January in the fall, and in the spring and summer they run from early March through late August. However, bear in mind that once you enroll in a first year writing class, that signifies your acceptance of your placement score. What that means is that if you sign up for 130 or 131, that's it. You can't take the exam again.